Skipping public transportation. Paris's metro system is a marvel of efficiency, yet many visitors avoid it in favor of taxis or ride-shares. This choice can be expensive and time-consuming. The metro is not only affordable but also incredibly convenient, connecting you to all major attractions and neighborhoods. Navigating the metro might seem intimidating at first, but it's straightforward once you understand the basics. Maps are available at every station, and the lines are color-coded for ease. With a little planning, you can reach iconic spots like the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, or Montmartre in minutes, bypassing the city's infamous traffic jams. Buying single tickets can quickly add up, so consider purchasing a carnet, a booklet of 10 tickets, or a day pass if you plan to explore extensively. Don't forget to validate your ticket before entering the platform, as failing to do so could result in hefty fines from inspectors. Walking through the charming streets of Paris is a delight, but the metro offers a way to maximize your time and energy. Plus, some stations are architectural gems in their own right, like the Art Nouveau entrances designed by Hector Guimard. It's more than transportation, it's part of the Parisian experience.